Good morning to everyone. Today, I shall be speaking on the topic of AI-driven smart traffic management systems and their potentials to improve mobility in a city. This presentation will discuss how it's changing traffic control for smart cities using AI and other technology and how it shall be practiced in the future. Let's dive into the next slide, number two, executive summary. First, let's discuss the aspects of AI, IoT, and smart transportation systems in traffic management of large cities. AI helps manage the traffic issues in cities by means giving intelligent traffic systems more predictive, safer, and environmentally friendly features. In this presentation, the success stories of Beijing, Singapore, and Barcelona's integrations of AI technology will be discussed. It also provides brief insights into future trends such as 5G, video communications, and edge computing to explore more advanced in traffic systems. However, there is still some drawbacks that I'll be talking about, such as data privacy, surveillance issue, and scalability. So let's move to the next slide. Introductions. When population density and the rate of car owners are increasing in urban areas, then traditional method of traffic control and regulation seems to be insufficient. There is traffic congestions and the need for better solutions in cities. This is where AI comes in. The way this way optimizations of traffic flows, increasing the traffic safety and reliability of public transports will be achieved using real-time data, predictive analytics, and decision makings. Let's move to next slides, where I'll be talking about key technical challenges. Some of the technical issues of ITS, although it has the potential to modernize the transportation systems of even the developed countries, there are a number of technical issues that must be overcome for ITS to become fully functional and efficient. As some of the important ones that ought to be prescribed: real-time data capture. It is a big concern as how to capture data from cameras, sensors, GPS, or even social networks. This must be correct, currented, and integrated optimally for efficient working for any decision making process. Some of the challenges are traffic forecasting is not a straightforward task and it is affected by external factors such as incidents or protests that are likely to cause a shift in the flow of traffic. It also means that while developing the models, consideration should be given to fairness to avoid discriminations and the outcome oriented. Let's move into the next slide, number five, case studies. It is time to look at some practical uses of AI in relation to traffic control. Indeed, in Beijing, AI-equipped traffic signals are currently in place whereby the traffic signals adapt to traffic patterns that are captured through cameras in real time. By using this system, the contractors have been able to address the problems of congestion during rush hour by a tune of 20%, and it has also been to cut the CO2 emissions by 10% equally. Singapore has adopted the National Intelligent Transportation Systems and the master plan to apply AI and data collections and analysis for operational signals transportation management. This has been realized with great improvement in the reduction of traffic deaths, wherever the cities has recorded a 36.7% reductions in the past year. Let's talk about the Barcelona. Barcelona currently employs digital twin, a technology that imitates the whole transportation system virtual. This has led to simplifying the systems of traffic and control and decreasing the congestions in some district by a quarter. Let's move to the next slide, number six, ethical and social conscience. There is no doubt that AI is much easier, but now as we see, it has some positive aspects regarding ethical and social issues. We need to address them. It is noted that constant data acquisition is viewed as an invasion of privacy. As will be demonstrated in this paper, if there is a bad governance, these systems may result into the establishments of a sovereign society. Data must be dispersonalized, and the collections process must be done with the permissions of the citizen. There should be the bias and transparency while using the AI. And talking about the equity aspects, smart traffic system should be accessible to all the users of the transport service in society, no matter their physical ability or disability. Let's move to the next slide, number seven, future trends and recommendations. Uh, it is for the reasons that several emerging trends will be defined the features of smart traffic management soon. Let's dive in about talk more details about the 5G and V2X communications. With the implementation of 5G networks, communications between them will be faster and more efficient since the network will support this kind of communication. This will enhance safety and minimize traffic incidents, particularly accidents on the roads, while at the same time increasing the efficiency in managing traffic in real time. Let's talk about sustainable mobility. Air traffic systems will also be incorporated into other smart city like electricity, water, response, and that will foster innovative, efficient, environmental friendly. As we know about the is it helps for the faster decision, privacy preservations, and talking about the industrializations, it is for the global policies for interoperability. Let's move to the next slide, number five. So from this presentations, I would like to conclude that therefore the intelligent ITS traffic management system proposed by AI are a new frontliner for of smart environment characterized by its capacity increase, capacity safety enhancement, and environmental friendliness. However, there are some issues such as current might pose include data privacies and systems integrations, and there may be biases as well. Therefore, it is equally critical to deal with government and implementation of international corporations and modern technology. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.